sunset hour in Phuket Island, Thailand, more specifically Karon Beach. It is 6:07 p.m. and the sun will set in about 8 minutes. And with this wonderful view, I am taking the last swim for today from paradise in Phuket. And I have been chilling on this beach this whole day. Today I decided to take it a bit easy, and as I had quite a hectic 3 days with lots of walking and exploring in Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, that is the capital city of Malaysia. So 2 new countries, and today I decided to, when I came back to Phuket, that I'm gonna take it a bit chill today. So let's look at just how beautiful the sunset is, and it will be even more beautiful in a few minutes when it's the actual sunset. There have been doing some parasailing here with the paragliders, with the parachutes. So that's something you can do as well while you are in Thailand. So what else? Yes, it is 20th of December and it is 30 degrees Celsius still. It has been 31 earlier today, but that's under shadow, because under sun it is a lot more hotter, believe me. So yeah, that's how the beach looks like, and there are lots of people that are taking photos right now with the sunset. And it's a very nice sunset indeed. And yes, what else? Let's then go in with the swim in this wonderful beach in Thailand. That is Karon Beach. Yes, day 8 is coming to an end. Which means I have 1 week left to explore. So yeah, let's then go in for a swim and enjoy this beautiful evening here in Thailand. This is the most beautiful sunset you can see right now. Let's go! It's fantastic. So beautiful. What a beautiful sunset swim here in Karon Beach. I'm gonna let you enjoy more in the views, as I don't have nothing much else to say, as I have been enjoying the time today on this beach. And maybe I will go for a nice Thai dinner. I'm craving pad Thai today. I had it a few days ago. And maybe a coconut. So they serve you coconuts and you drink the coconut water. It's quite tasty indeed. So that's what I'm having for dinner. It's very cheap. So the pad Thai, it's around between $2 and $4 depending on the place you are getting it. And it can be more expensive at fancy restaurants, but there are not so fancy restaurants here, and there's no need because the food is the same. And I really want to try the mango sticky rice, the dessert. I haven't tried it yet. I did eat a lot of fresh mangoes, and I didn't even eat the mango smoothie that they have here, or juice. So I would definitely get that. I did have the banana pancakes that are very famous, twice. And yeah, enough about my food here in Thailand. I'm gonna let you enjoy the sunset, as it is officially sun setting now in 3 minutes, and now it's the last parts of the sun that are going in. So all right, let's wrap up this beautiful sunset episode from Karon Beach in Phuket, Thailand. And then that's a wrap. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Grace.